Hello, my friends. I am coming to you today to talk to you about my brand new program, which will be starting in April 2024. And this will be an in-person type of program. We will meet once a month, and I'm calling it our Quick Kits. All right, now what's so cool about this is that you will come once a month. It's going to be on a Saturday, and probably the third Saturday of the month, starting in April. And you will get 3 kits, all cut and ready to go. You may have to do some stamping or some interesting kind of techniques, something like that. But I will be here to show you how to go through each layout and assemble it step by step. All right, so everything will be prepared ahead of time for you except stamping and inking and things like that. But all the paper will be cut. You will have all the Cricut images in place already. It comes as part of the kits. Each month will be a different featured collection. And for April, our first month, we are going to be using the Let's Go Anywhere collection from Close to My Heart. After that, I'm not sure where we will be going, but I can assure you that there will be some very fun and interesting collections for you to use. And I think that's about all. Now, the thing that I really want to emphasize is that this is replacing my Kit of the Month Club. All right, that is ending this month. And so this will be taking place of the Kit of the Month Club. And as I said, it starts in April. I do not have an end month in mind. Each month, the cost will vary depending on what's going into the layouts, but you will have everything that you need to complete the layout. So you'll get your embellishments, you'll get your Cricut cuts, you'll get all of that. And so without further ado, I want to show you the layouts that I've created for our very first quick kit in April. All right, so this one is based on one of the Close to My Heart digital collections for Let's Go Anywhere. And so you can see that you've got a really interesting background here created with arrows. All right, that's done on the Cricut. So all of these pieces, with the exception of just a couple of stickers here, are created from the Cricut or on the Cricut. All right, so that is the first layout. All right, it's going to be a very quick and simple put together, nothing too special here. Not sure what that was. Yeah, just some layering and lots of fun. Okay, so here's the second layout. Okay, now this one you have a little bit more to do. All right, we've got some interesting stamping going on here with the footprints. Okay, if you want to do a hiking type of layout, and I've stamped the title here called Nature. I've done a little bit more stamping with some of these images here, and this title, the smaller title. All right, now I will have other options here for you to stamp if you don't want to use the title Nature. Okay, I do have an alternative for you. And we're also going to be using the Let's Go Anywhere die cuts, which are in black and craft. All right, and then bear in mind that all of the cutting for this will be done for you. All you have to do is your stamping and your coloring, and then put it all together. That's it. Okay, pretty simple. And then the last one is probably, in my mind, the most interesting. And this was a technique that I saw on the Creative Design Team Facebook group. And as soon as I saw it, I knew that I had to replicate this. So the sketches for this come out of their brand new sketch booklet for 12 by 12 layouts. What else do I want to tell you about this? This is just very, very fun. Okay, so the way this was designed by Julie Carrier, all right, it's for a 5-day trip. Now, you can alter that because we will be using the outlined alphabet, but the numbers. All right. So whatever days you want to use, you'll be able to use those. So those will not be cut out for you. All right. Those you will be cutting out yourself. But all of the pieces that you see here will be cut for you and ready to go. And you will also have use of the embellishments. This side, I got to tell you, I had so much fun putting this together. So the very top is a 5x5 photo, and that's cut down from a 5x7 photo. All right. And then you get magnets. And then this opens. Okay, you know what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go like this so you can see it a little better. Okay, so the first one opens, and then you've got some ideas for how you can place your photos. All right, then we're using some of the die cuts and some of the stickers that were left over. And then we open it again. And here's day 2, again with the black embellishments. And then here is day 3 and day 4. So cool, right? Okay. And then, of course, this side is for day 5. So you've got room for a photo here and a photo here. All right. And if you wanted, you could add a couple of smaller photos on the right-hand side. That would be entirely up to you. Okay. So that's my preview. And I hope that you will let me know you are interested in signing up for April's. Remember, there's no month-to-month commitment for this. You just show up and pay your class fee, and that's it. All right. And the class fee, I will be posting that in the event. And in the meantime, you can email me at info@surescrapsalot.com and let me know that you're interested in April's Quick Kits. Thanks so much for watching. We'll be talking to you very, very soon.